Game over.
Welcome back to PK Wheels. Today we're diving into the 2025 GMC Yukon, one of the most popular full-size SUVs on the market. Whether you're looking for luxury, performance, or cutting-edge technology, the new Yukon has a lot to offer. Let's break it down. Exterior design. The 2025 GMC Yukon retains its bold and commanding presence with a refreshed front grille, redesigned LED headlights, and updated bumper styling. The SUV continues to offer multiple trims, including the rugged AT4 and the ultra-luxurious Denali Ultimate, each with unique design elements. Larger wheels, enhanced aerodynamics, and new color options make the Yukon look even more aggressive and modern. Interior and technology. Step inside, and you'll find a premium cabin loaded with high-end materials and advanced technology. The Denali Ultimate trim features full-grain leather, open-pore wood, and a 16-speaker Bose audio system. The new 15-inch head-up display, a massive infotainment touchscreen, and a fully digital driver's cluster bring a futuristic feel. With seating for up to 8 passengers and a best-in-class cargo space, the Yukon balances luxury with practicality. The performance and capability under the hood. The 2025 Yukon offers multiple powertrain options, including a 5.3L V8 with 355 HP, a 6.2L V8 with 420 HP for more power, a 3L Duramax turbo diesel for those who prioritize fuel efficiency and torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available magnetic ride control. The Yukon delivers a smooth and powerful ride. The AT4 trim comes with an off-road suspension, skid plates, and a 2-speed transfer case, making it ready for any adventure. Safety and driver assistance. GMC has packed the 2025 Yukon with advanced safety features, including Super Cruise, hands-free driving on compatible highways, automatic emergency braking lane, keep assist with lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, HD surround vision camera. These features ensure a safe and confident driving experience, whether on city streets or long road trips. Market position and competition. The 2025 Yukon competes with full-size SUVs like the Chevrolet Tahoe, Ford Expedition, and Jeep Grand Wagoneer. GMC positions the Yukon as a premium alternative, offering a blend of luxury and rugged capability. With strong towing capacity, off-road readiness, and high-end trims, it appeals to families, adventurers, and executives alike. Outro. That wraps up our overview of the 2025 GMC Yukon. Whether you're looking for power, luxury, or off-road capability, this SUV delivers it all. What are your thoughts on the new Yukon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PK Wheel for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.